The province's fiscal watchdog today concluding Doug Ford's increased class sizes means there will be 10,000 fewer teachers in classrooms in the next 5 years, and education spending won't keep up with demand unless billions in savings are found. This is all giving teachers' unions more ammunition during contract negotiations. The report concludes the Ford government's plan to increase class sizes will mean 9,000 fewer high school teachers and close to 1,000 fewer elementary teachers in classes by the 2023-24 school year. The numbers are based on projections of enrollment growth and the number of teachers that would have been required under last year's class sizes. Class sizes are going up by 1 in grades 4 to 8 to an average of 23 students, and by 6 in high school, from 22 to an average of 28 students, which saves the government money.
What is the cost savings?
The cost savings is over for the 5-year period is over $2 billion, and we're looking at about $900 million a year after by year 5 onwards. Again, compared to what would have been had there been no change.
What we heard from the FAO is we're having a population growth, a bit of an explosion, and this government is cutting rather than investing in education.
The report also finds projected ministry spending won't keep up with the rising cost of education. Government spending on education is projected to slow to 1% a year, but the core cost drivers are projected to go up by 2.7%. It means the government has to find $3 billion in savings. Fewer teachers and a cap on salaries would save about $2 billion.
To keep it at 1%, they need another $1 billion in savings a year.
That's about right. Yes, that's about right.
This report is bound to get teachers' unions digging in their heels even deeper during contract negotiations.
Well, I don't know how this government has any credibility left on the education file. It's been demonstrated that the loss of teaching staff alone will be 3 times what they originally claimed. And it's clear that our numbers were accurate and they were trying to spin so that the public wouldn't understand the depth of the damage to the system.
When asked about this story, the ministry responded with a statement saying, in part, "We believe we are providing sufficient funding that maximizes student achievement."